The sun is our real, true astrophysical laboratory. If we understand what's going on the sun, we can turn and look outwards to every other star and transfer that knowledge to those other stars. We have learned a lot from our previous solar satellites. We find out that you can't look at the sun in one color. You need to look at it in many different colors to try and understand what's going on. AIA is the Atmospheric Imaging Assembly. It's a series of 4 telescopes that will look at the sun in a whole bunch of different wavelengths. When we look at the sun with our different colors, we're looking at the sun in different temperatures, from the 50,000 Kelvin, which is pretty warm for the sun, but pretty hot for us, to several million Kelvin, which is very hot. When we look at these pictures, we see these huge loops of material that come and go. Those are magnetic fields being illuminated as hot plasma tracks along it. Sometimes the field line doesn't have anything there and we can't see it. Then all of a sudden, material will flow into that field line and we'll see it illuminated against the disk of the sun. We would like to understand why that material goes up there, why does it get hot, and what happens to it when a flare or a coronal mass ejection happens, which takes some of that energy and converts it into bright light or into a large chunk of material being thrown off the sun.